Hey guys, thanks for stopping by to see what I'm up to today. Today I'd like to dispel the rumor or treat the rumor that the small soldering irons can't do outside work and they can't do the work on big conductors. Granted, it's a hot day. I am in a shielded place where the wind's not blowing and I'm only doing a little bit of work. But the point is, if you just got something to touch up, you can use one of these small irons to get the job done. I've got a 3 amp hour 12 volt battery. If I had the good sense, I'd be using a Denko battery, a lead with power poles, and a DC barrel jack. Today we've got the bioenno, but again, if I had good sense, it'd be a Denko battery. I'm using this UY Chan TS100. It operates from 12 to 24, and you just saw the barrel jack go in, giving it 12 volts. Always protect your work surface. The hot iron doesn't ruin something. Now here's a conductor from some Hyperflex 10 cable. And I'm soldering on the end. And I use the solder to help heat up whatever it is that I'm soldering. Now that little fine tip's not going to necessarily, but the solder flowing is going to. And I'm not going to touch it, but there, you see I'm pulling on it. It's there. We're all done. Thanks for stopping by.